Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm making chicken naan in time for Ramadan. In the bowl of your stand mixer, add in half a cup of milk, a teaspoon of sugar, 7 to 10 grams of yeast, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, half a cup of oil, half a cup of boiling water, and 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Start your mixer off on low, then increase the speed to high, and allow the dough to knead for about 3 minutes. Transfer the dough onto a lightly oiled surface, then oil your hands and shape it into a ball. Place the dough into an oiled bowl, then cover it and allow it to proof in a warm place for about 30 minutes. To make the filling, in a pot on high heat, add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, as well as a small diced onion, and allow it to fry until the onions become translucent. Then add in 3 finely diced chicken breasts, 2 stalks of spring onion, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of chilli powder, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of ginger and garlic, a quarter teaspoon of chili paste, a quarter teaspoon of mixed herbs, some salt to taste, and 2 tablespoons of ground coriander. Mine is frozen. Allow this to cook with the lid covered until the chicken releases all of its liquid. When there is very little liquid remaining, add in 1 teaspoon of paprika. Mix it together well, then switch off the heat and allow this to cool. I'm transferring mine into a bowl and into the fridge so it cools faster. Once your dough is ready, turn it out onto your work surface and divide it as equally as you can into 6 to 8 pieces. Work with 1 piece of dough at a time. Roll it into a ball, then spread it out slightly. Make sure not to use any flour just to keep it sticky. Add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of the filling. Then pinch the edges together to seal it tightly. Place it seam side down onto some additional flour. Sprinkle some flour on top and roll it out into about a 1 centimeter thick round. Pinch the edges slightly like so. Then transfer it onto a greased baking tray. Mix together 1 egg with a splash of water and brush the tops of the naan. Use a sharp knife to make slits in the top, going in one direction. Sprinkle on some sesame seeds, then bake at 180 degrees for 20 minutes and use the last 2 minutes on the grill function. Remove it from the oven, and while it's still hot, brush the tops with your melted butter and coriander. Then allow it to cool slightly, and they're ready to serve. Enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.